Welcome to GT Travel Insights. Novotel Kamala Beach in Thailand genuinely surprised us. After a long day of travelling, the open-air reception immediately gave the hotel a relaxed and welcoming feel. Our room was spacious and featured a balcony with beautiful ocean views. We also liked the bathroom layout, which allowed one person to use the toilet while another was showering. The only downside was the shower design. Water regularly escaped onto the bathroom floor and often flooded the area outside the shower. The staff were exceptional throughout our stay, which is something we've come to expect in Thailand, where people are consistently friendly, welcoming and eager to help. One of the biggest highlights was the hotel's direct access to Kamala Beach. While there aren't any sunbeds on the beach itself, affordable beach chairs are available just a short walk away, and there are plenty of lounges around the pool. Another thing we really liked was the location. Novotel sits at the far end of Kamala Beach, making it feel quieter and more secluded than many of the hotels, closer to the centre. Here are my ratings. Location, 5 out of 5. Cleanliness, 5 out of 5. Pricing, 5 out of 5. Facilities, 4 out of 5. Comfort, 5 out of 5. Staff, 5 out of 5. Overall rating, 4.8 out of 5. If you're looking for a quiet beachfront hotel in Phuket with excellent staff and direct beach access,
Novotel Kamala Beach should definitely be considered.